In this video, we'll look into some Excel statistical functions. There is a month column from Jan to June. There's a quantity sold. There's a profit column. Quantity sold are these are the quantity sold, and there's a repetition per 100, and here 600. And profits are these are the profits, and there is a blank field here in this quantity sold. So let us see some statistical functions. Count blank. Let us see whether it will count the number of the blanks, because we know there is one blank here, is equal to count blank. I'll select this range from B2 to B7. There is a one blank here between B2 to B7, so it has shown 1. And then let us see the count, equal to count from B2 to B7. There are 5. Actually there are 6 rows here: Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, but here it is showing only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 where the values are there. So this count will count only those numbers. Count of A will count the text. So here in count of A we can select this column so that we can get the number of rows here 6. Thus equal to count A of, we select this A2 to A7. So it is showing 6 rows. So if you count, use the count, and if there is a blank in the field, it will count only those numbers. If you want to count from the text field itself, so that if there are any blanks, you can avoid that using this text column. You can use the count A function. Let us give the criteria in this. Countifs function is equal to count ifs. First one is B2 to B7, then comma should be greater than 300 in double quote, comma next criteria will be C2 to C7, comma double quotes greater than 1000. Then there are 2 rows for that, because greater than 300 are these 2 rows, and count if this one greater than 1000 are these 2 rows. So we are getting countifs as 2, which satisfies both those criteria. Now let's calculate the average. Equal to average, we'll take this range here to C2 to C7, close this. So this is 916.6667 is the average. Let us find the median. Equal to median of this. The median is 900. Now let us calculate the mode. Equal to mode, then calculate for quantity sold mode. Mode is 100. Next, mode dot mult. There are multiple modes. Here 100 is repeating here, 600 is repeating here. So to get the multiple results, so we'll select these 2 rows and write the code is equal to mode dot mult, then select this range B2 to B7, and then control shift enter. Press control shift enter. Instead of just enter, we are pressing control shift and enter. Then we got 100, and then we got 600. So multi modes are, because these two are repeating, 100 and 600 are repeating here in this range from B2 to B7. So we are given this code here. Next is standard deviation equal to std dv dot p. Then select this B2 to B7. So 224.4994 is the standard deviation. Next, we can do the quartile, and then we can look into the correlation. Quartile, we can say, is equal to quartile. If I want third quartile, I say select C2 to C, then comma 3, I'll get the third quartile. So I can give 1, 2, 3, 4 for one first or second or third or fourth quartiles. Now correlation. Let's say between quantity sold and profit equal to CO or quantity sold from B2 to B7, comma profits C2 to C7. Let us see what is the correlation between these two. It's 0.73. So you take, let us take 10, 20, 30. Profits as 100, 200. So here you can see quantity is increasing 10, 20, 30, and profits are also increasing simultaneously 100, 200, 300. But in this case here, the profits decrease from 100 to 5,000 to 500, and then increase to 800, 1200. So there is a decrease and then increase. Here it's a continuous increase. So let us calculate the correlation for this part. So let us select this range and this range is equal to COPL, and this range, comma, this is the profits. What is the correlation between it is 1, because quantity increased 10 from 10, 20 to 30, and the profits increased from 100 to 300. It's a straight away increase, so correlation is 1.